Welcome to Smart Web YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please try and subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's the only way you can help us to grow. So today I'll be teaching you on how to add subtitles to your videos for free using CapCut AI. Now, this is actually perfect for creators, to boost your engagement and reach wider audience. As I said, now, the tool we are going to be using is CapCut. Now, stay tuned for this video. If you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button and support us. Now let's dive straight into it. Now I'll be making use of this particular video here that I prepared. Now if you go to this, if you play this video here,
will AI take our jobs? Yes, AI will replace most humans.
now you can see that to use this is CapCut. You can see this is CapCut. And when you want to use this, you can see that you need a pro to use some of these features. For example, for the transcript, even for the captions, all these things are required pro. So the best way to do is to, instead of using the CapCut app on your laptop, you enter the website. That's CapCut website. That's the only way you can make use of this. Now let's go to CapCut. Now if you log into this CapCut, from here you can see AI captions. Now when you click on this AI captions, now you can see upload video to generate captions. Now when you can see that the video must be under 20 minutes. That means any video that you want to upload here for you to generate the captions for you, it must be under 20 minutes. So if you have a 40 minutes video, so you can just cut it, cut the 20 minutes and cut the other part 20 minutes and upload, and after you match them together, I think that's the best way. It depends on the the length of the video that you want to do. Now let's upload this video here. Let's upload this video. Now you can see it's uploading. You can see this video has finished uploading. Now what you do, you can see all the things in the video, the subtitle, the transcripts of the video, or the captions of the video. Now this is like a question: will AI take our jobs? Now all you need to do is just you start editing it to be able to make it look like the way you want it to be. Now this is like an option also: will AI take our job? So you have to try to make it look the way you want. Will AI take our job? Yes. Now this is like an option, so you just have to make sure that how it transcribe the video is actually the way you want it. AI will replace most human jobs. B. So these are options, right? So I need to like edit all of them the way I want it, right? The next thing I have to do is to, after the whole thing is done and it's okay the way you want it, you can see it was loading. Let's check. Right, you see it's appearing on the screen. You can also try to place it or even increase or something like that, anyhow you want to do it. Now the next thing you have to do is click on export, now click on download. I love using what's it called, I love using this 4K so that the quality will be very high. Then the next thing is this: you can see that you have AI caption ai.mp. Now remove this particular .mp. If not, after exporting it or downloading it, your video will not play because of you having AI caption.mp. So it will not play. So you just have to delete that mp and caption your video, then click on export. Now you can see it has started downloading. Now when this is downloading, if network is bad, it will if it stops, it starts from beginning. So you just have to have patience if you don't have a good network, until it's finished downloading. The next thing you have to do is, if you download it, I've downloaded it before, so if you download it, that's all you need to do. Let me delete this particular one from my CapCut.
Will AI take our jobs?
Let me delete it. Now let's import the one that I have downloaded before. I've downloaded under download, right? AI captions, this AI captions. If I add it here and play it,
Will AI take our jobs? Yes, AI will replace most human jobs.
now you can see the caption has appeared. Now you can continue editing your video and do whatever you want to do. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook. Bye.